Hey guys, Mark here. Just taking my little Spark drone up in the air. I just got it in not too long ago. Kind of testing it out. It's shot on 1080p, so we'll see how it looks. Let me cut this TV down. Watching Memphis, whatever drag racing on Discovery, but anyway, um, yeah, I was trying to get a. This was about. Let's see, what time is it now? This was probably right at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, which it gets dark here in Alabama pretty quick. There's the sunset and the Miller Steam Plant where we get our electricity from. That's on the Black Warrior River, I think. I think it is something like that. Um, that's where we get our power. I guess Jefferson County in Alabama. That's Highway 78 and Highway 22 right there. So a lot of, it's at 5 o'clock, so there's pretty big, pretty good bit of traffic on there. And kind of that's 22 there. That's, yeah, 22 going into Birmingham. That's downtown Birmingham right there, way way off into the background. I was trying to get the towers. There's like 3,000, 4,000 foot towers on Red Mountain because that's where our local news, Fox 6 News and Channel 13 and all that is up there on Red Mountain. So, but yeah, that's downtown Birmingham. That's 22 going in there, and then that's a cellular tower that's just right across the street from my house, right there. So, uh, that's about 600 feet up, I think. We're up on a little bit higher hill than that tower is where we live, so we used to have a tower in our backyard, and it was just causing a lot of problems, man. I've probably lost like 8 computers due to lightning would strike and get into our lines in the house. And they finally, yeah, I don't know, it was a lawsuit. They had to take it down, but anyhow, that's Highway 78, old Highway 78 going up into Jasper and before they built 22, that road there, Highway 78, would go into Memphis and all that. It still does, but everybody usually takes Highway 22 now, and to get to Memphis and Arkansas and all that. So, and that's going back to the west, right there. Sun is setting, and then that's Highway 22 going back toward the steam plant, and then that's Highway 78 going across 22 there. And that's our house. Looking down. And the garage and all that. And an old swimming pool. Well, say old. All it needs is a liner in it, and then we could bring it back to life. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna let this finish loading up to YouTube. I want to thank all my supporters, my subs, 63 of them now, 64 of them. Thank y'all so much. I want to thank JD for the stickers and support his channel as well. I will put a link to his channel at the end of this video. You'll see it pop up. Uh, and A Main Hobbies, I want to thank them for supporting me, and they've done a pretty good bit for me. Thank you very much for what you've done. Uh, and Danny RC, thank you too as well. Support his channel too. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I'm gonna let this finish doing what it's doing, and we will talk to everybody later. Y'all have a great weekend. It is December 17th, 2018. So everybody have a great weekend coming up. I know some parts of the U.S. is going to be kind of snowy and rainy down here in Alabama. So everybody stay safe, drive safe, and just be safe in general. Uh, and we will talk to everybody later. Y'all have a Merry Christmas. If I don't get any more videos up, I probably will. So, uh, and a Happy New Year 2019. Uh, y'all have a blessed Happy New Year and a great New Year coming up. So, all right, I'm gonna kill it here. You guys are great. Thank you so much, and we will talk to everybody later. Thank you.